what is up? So today we are going to be trying out the new Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This has vitamin C and cactus flower water in it. So if you would like to see how I got this look, as well as see me trying out the new Urban Decay All-Nighter, then just stay tuned.
So I thought it'd be fun to use all Urban Decay products for this video. So we're starting out with the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Tinted Hydrator, and I'm just going to blend that out. This stuff is amazing. It's hydrating, moisturizing, all of the above, plus it covers. Now I'm going in with the Primer Potion by Urban Decay, getting my eyes primed and ready for the shadow. And then we're gonna go in with the Naked Wild West palette. I'm taking the shade Nudie first and just applying that into my crease and blending it upwards. Then we're going to go in with the Naked Cyber palette. Love the packaging on this. And I'm going in with the shade called Virtual, and that is going to go right above Nudie. Jumping back over to the Wild West palette, I'm taking Stand Off and just going to place that on my brow bone. Then we're jumping back over to the Cyber palette and taking the shade Bite, and I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. Jumping back over to the Wild West palette and taking Ghost Town, I am just going to deepen up that outer corner area. Now I'm taking Override from the Cyber palette, and I'm just going to place that on the lid area next to those shades. Then taking the shade Call IT, I'm just going to place that right next to Override. And then going in with Not a Bot and finishing off that lid. I'm taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Freak, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this. And then I'm going to go in with Cyberspace and apply that to my lower lash line area. This has a undertone of like metallic green. It's really, really pretty. Then I'm going to take Bud from the Wild West palette and apply that to the lower lash line area as well. And then I'm going to finish that lower lash line area off with Tex. Applying a little bit of Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara.
All right, so now for the star of the show, we're gonna be using the new Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And this has vitamin C cactus flower water. It's all-day wear and it's hydrating. This is going to instantly brighten and hydrate. It's going to energize you, and it has an uplifting citrus scent. It smooths plus firms the skin. It's got up to 16-hour wear. It's transfer proof, and it is also water resistant. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty free. Let's try this out. Okay, so I'm loving the cute little packaging with the little cactus flower here. Super cute. And it looks a little something like this. All right, here we go, you guys. Ooh, that smells really good. It's not like an overly powerful citrus scent. It's very light. And it's very kind of refreshing. And we will see how this lasts throughout the day, and I'll come back on here and let you guys know.
And here is what my makeup looked like after 5 hours of nonstop work with no touch-ups. As you can see, my oils are definitely starting to show through, which is nothing out of the norm for me. And the makeup is starting to break up around the nose a little bit, which is, like I said, nothing out of the norm for me. But the makeup held in place with the all-nighter. And if I had some blotting powder or blotting papers and did a little touch up, it would definitely look how it did when I left the house. So I'm definitely digging this all-nighter spray and can't wait to use it some more.
Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big shout out and a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me this product to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.